Frustrated because you're outside the UK and want to use Stripe? Let's break down how to get your business accepting payments even if you aren't based in the UK. First things first, Stripe's availability hinges on your location. Head over to Stripe's website and meticulously check their list of supported countries. It's crucial your business is registered in one of these eligible regions to proceed directly with Stripe. If your country isn't on Stripe's list, don't worry, all hope is not lost. You'll need to explore alternative solutions. One option is operating through a subsidiary in a Stripe-supported country. This allows you to register your Stripe account under that entity. Another avenue is partnering with payment aggregators or platforms that integrate with Stripe or offer similar functionalities. Research payment gateways like PayPal, Payoneer, or regional alternatives that are prevalent in your area. Compare their fees, supported currencies, and integration capabilities. No matter which route you take, always prioritize understanding and adhering to Stripe's and the alternative providers' terms of service and regional policies. This prevents any account suspensions or payment processing issues down the line. Choosing the right payment solution is vital for your global business, so research thoroughly, understand the requirements, and select the path that aligns best with your operational structure and target market. Good luck and happy selling.